Hey entrepreneurs! Ready to supercharge your online business growth? Let's check out the OLSP System 2024. The OLSP System is your all-in-one platform designed to boost your online presence. First up, the Traffic Domination feature. This tool helps drive tons of targeted traffic to your site. More traffic means more potential customers, and who doesn't want that? Next, we have the task-based training. It's like having a personal coach guiding you through each step. Easy-to-follow tasks will keep you on track and productive. And let's not forget the community support. Connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, share tips, and stay motivated. You're never alone on your journey. Finally, the conversion tools. These are designed to turn visitors into loyal customers. From email marketing to sales funnels, OLSP has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, the OLSP System 2024 is your ticket. Give it a try and watch your business soar.